update the CJ3 Plus. So watch, let's see how fast I can do this, all right? Let's see, we're walking in the hangar. You guys look away. Don't want you to get the code, top secret. All right, oh, my heater's on. I left the door open over there. Ooh. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do, all right, we'll do that. I gotta go hook the battery up. And you can tell the plane's been sitting a little while. My flaps are drooped. I had them set at 15, and they'll stay up for a little while, but they can only hold up for so long before they start drooping. But anyways, you'd hit the motor of the engines to get them back up, to get the hydraulics. But we're not going to do that. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt anything. We're going to crank the battery. All right. Boom. Battery's on. Battery's hooked up. There's our baggage compartment. All right. Let's walk to the inside the plane. We're going to take out that 510 flight stream card. Put this nav data card in that I've updated. All right. Let's crawl aboard. Crawl on up here. All right. Let's take out the 510. There's our little 510 card. Put in the nav data. And like I've said before, you make sure that little safety read-write tab is pushed up. Push it in. Turn on the battery. And then I'm going to hit audio to turn that speaker off. We don't need that noise. All right? And then we're going to hit nav data and we're going to watch it sync. And while it's doing that, I could hit utilities. Oops, not utilities. Aircraft systems. I'm going to do exterior lights. And we'll turn these lights off. They don't need to be on. Alright, we'll see how start to finish it shouldn't take that long. Let's see. You gotta see it counting up, counting down, I would rather. Alright, database sync complete. And we'll wait for a second, watch, it'll say. Activate on the power start, so we turn off the power. I take out the card. Put the little 510 stream card back in. Kind of take our time to make sure it's powered completely down. Take the card back in my little holder. Power it back up. And turn off the radio. Turn off the speaker. Oh, database is corrupt. It didn't like something. Oh, chart view. Power down. Wait a little bit. This happens every now and then. If it's still acting up, what I'll do is I'll take this card home, I'll reformat it, and then put everything back on it again. Come back out here, put that on, try again. But sometimes just rebooting, it'll fix it. Because you're putting it in one processor, basically, and then it's moving it to everything else and cross-filling everything. Turn off the speaker. It seems to have fixed that, so we'll turn it off again. I'll wait for a few seconds to make sure everything's completely powered down. All these processors, you know. Turn it back on. Turn off the speaker. Database is corrupt. Don't like that chart view. Try one more time. This happens every now and then where I gotta try it several times. And once it's fixed, it's fixed. I don't know why. Alright, I think we're good. I think the only reason it's not doing it is because today is the 28th. So it doesn't like that it's active today, and it's got, so it's, I don't know. We'll do it one more time, and then we're done. Alright, we're going to call it quits. I'm going to redo this card. We'll check back next time I'm out here, because I will be out here before I fly the plane again. And it might be just acting up because today is the 28th, the day the charts come out. Sometimes it does that. It just gets, it doesn't like it being the same day that it comes out. I don't know why. Anyway, everything still looks good back here. The plane is still nice and clean. Alright, we got everything. Alright, close the door. Latch it. Unhook the battery. Unhook the battery. Or actually, while we're here, you know what? I am going to disconnect the battery, but here's what we're going to do. Unhook the battery while the light's on, so I know I've screwed it out far enough. Then we turn off the light. We'll check the wall while we're here. Oh, good. Check the wall on this side. Our cars are still okay. We'll walk over there and make sure. Look at there. Gotta look at our charger. Alright, all good on this one. Alright, let's check out this car. Here's the G-Wagon. Battery tender's good. We're good. Let's check out this battery tender. This AMG. See, this car's even cooled under the cover. Yep, battery tender looks good. So everything good. Plane's good. Car's good. Here's what we'll do. Put my little flashlight back. I'll leave that right there. Close this up. Open that up. Lock the door. We'll lock this door. That's it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.